My pear tree branch is cut at a 90-degree angle with 2 inches off the bottom and about 6 inches of the limbs cut up to the top. I'm gonna put them in my rooting gel. Get that all over from the top to bottom and put in the dirt. Clonex gel. I just did my branch here to my pear tree. A little over 1.5 feet or so. Gonna take it outside, put it in the dirt. Okay. I cut it at a 90-degree angle, 2 inches up. I took the bark off. About 8 inches or so, I put Clonex on it, and all the little limbs that I cut off, I made sure they all had Clonex on it. I'm just gonna stick it right in the dirt. Where's it'll go? Right, that should be my pear tree. Pear branch number 2 is purple Clonex gel, Clonex, and sticking my pot. Tree number 2. Pear trees.